My philosophies as an educator. My teaching philosophy is based on the belief that good teaching always focuses on the students. I support learning-centered education. The idea that students build their own understanding and the goal of helping them stay curious and fair throughout life. I do not see learning as a student sitting quietly while information is placed into their heads. Instead, I imagine learning as student exploring an open space where they can build knowledge, think critically, and learn how to deal with new changes and challenges. So, as a teacher, my job is to guide them and help them discover what learning methods work best for them. I also value active questioning, teamwork in solving problems, and personalized learning paths. When I shift the focus from what I teach to what students discover, I help them see their interests and voices in the lessons, which increases their motivation to learn. I believe every student should feel seen, valued, and respected no matter their background, identity, or learning style. So my philosophy is about empowering students. It is continuous process of guiding them, helping them stay strong, and making them feel that they belong. My goal is to help students not only learn their subject, but also stay curious, keep asking questions, and show empathy in a diverse world. My greatest achievement as a teacher is seeing students become active, responsible creators of their own learning journey.